How to get rid of a cold without taking medicine. You can cure a cold without taking medicine. Watch today in this video. Today, I'll show you how to get rid of a cold without taking medicine. If the painful symptom is a common viral infection, the simple tips will help. Of course, the first thing is to rest your body. Inflammation of the upper respiratory tract when catching a cold can cause pain and discomfort. Don't rely on medicine, get rid of your cold. How to get rid of a cold without taking medicine. 1. Do not take antibiotics. A cold is a viral infection. In other words, using antibiotics is meaningless, but rather harmful. Antibiotics are only effective in treating bacterial infections. However, if you are not sure if you have a viral or bacterial infection, see your doctor. The main symptom of a cold is inflammation of the upper respiratory tract. It may affect the nose, throat, trachea, larynx, sinuses, and ears. Therefore, if you need medicine, it will help alleviate this discomfort in the upper airways. 2. Materials to cure colds at home. Some natural remedies can help you get rid of a cold at home. The substances contained in natural remedies can be expected to have antiviral, decongestant, and expectorant effects. Ginger will lower the body's fever and end the symptoms of the infection. Eat crushed or sliced raw garlic. Contains allicin, which stimulates immunity. It has the effect of fighting viruses. Ceylon cinnamon has antiviral, expectorant, and anti-inflammatory properties. Lemons and limes are rich in vitamin C. It will have a decongestant effect. Cayenne pepper is a small amount that strengthens the immune system and has a decongestant effect. Honey relieves a cough. It will relieve clogging of the nose and throat. Licorice has expectorant and antiviral effects. It will relieve coughing and inflammation. 3. Hydration is essential to cure a cold without taking medicine. To get rid of a cold without taking medicine, you need to rehydrate. It will relieve sputum clogging and nasal congestion and make breathing easier. Besides drinking water, drink plant teas and herbal teas such as those mentioned earlier. Also, actively eat fresh fruits, juices, soups, etc. to rehydrate from here as well. 4. Do not dry the room. It is also important not to dry the airways. It is very useful when you have a dry cough, a sore throat, or an inflamed throat. It's also a good idea to use a humidifier. Eucalyptus, lemon, pineapple, and oregano are recommended if you can use essential oils. You can also put hot water in a basin and put your face on the steam. It's also a good idea to wear a towel over your head to prevent steam from escaping. 5. Rest your body. A cold is a sign that your immune system is weak. In other words, the body needs rest. Think of the body as sometimes requiring a purification process. If you overwork your body because you are too busy to rest, your cold symptoms will be worse and longer. It can also cause further complexity. Think of it as a little reward and relax and rest your body and soul. Keep it warm and avoid temperature changes as much as possible. Rest as much as your body needs. Avoid going out and stop drinking and smoking. 6. If that doesn't help, go to the hospital. If you have any of the following, go to the hospital. Pregnant women, infants under 5 years old, HIV/AIDS patients, non-immune immigrants, migrants, travelers, and other high-risk groups. Difficult to breathe. When the color of sputum is yellow or not whitish, such as green or pink. I feel pain or discomfort in my ears. High fever of 39 degrees Celsius or higher. Especially when it lasts for more than 4 days or when the heat once pulled back again. When the symptoms are more severe than a common cold, or when you feel more uncomfortable. When your cough doesn't go away, or when you feel worse. If you practice the tips I introduced today, you will be able to cure your cold without taking any medicine. It is also important to get a good rest. With natural remedies, you'll be well in a few days.